Welcome back to another RTE video. In this video, we will unbox the brand new reMarkable 2 Type Folio, reMarkable's first ever keyboard. To begin, let's take a look at the packaging. On the back, it states that the folio is attached by magnets, no charging is required, that it protects the device with 3 positions for ease of use. We'll remove the breakaway tab at the bottom to open the package. With the tab broken, you can now pull out the folio. At first glance, the folio looks well made and feels sturdy, but more on that later. Let's see what else is included. Inside the folio is the quick start guide. Seems pretty simple. The reMarkable will need to be turned on the latest software and connected to Wi-Fi before connecting. From there, the reMarkable is snapped into the folio. The folio, as I mentioned before, seems sturdy and well made. Here's the folio from different angles. Now, let's look at how it looks with the reMarkable 2 attached. You'll need to hold the reMarkable from the right side and then pull up to the right to reveal the keyboard. Here you can see a nicely designed compact keyboard. In a later video, I'll conduct a review and see how well it performs. Pull up from the top of the device to lower the reMarkable back into the folio to close the case. This concludes the unboxing of the reMarkable 2 Type Folio. Stay tuned for our upcoming video review. Thank you for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe. This has been RTE. See you in the next video.